This is the area that not only has to be ergonomic, but it's one of the areas that has the most potential for personalization. The tones that we're using are things that you're seeing in Architectural Digest, on HGTV, on House, the gray countertops with the lighter cabinets. One of the unique things that I spent a lot of time thinking and looking at was actually this faucet. One of the things that makes faucets leak is not having a ceramic cartridge. So I wanted to ensure that our plumbing has ceramic cartridges in it, and that prevents it from leaking. The other things I looked at is there were a lot of really large gooseneck faucets that we used and that some of our competition uses, but this is not a huge kitchen space, and to do an enormous faucet here is not very ergonomic. So I did a top controller. Of course, the spray is super important for kitchens. In order to create more countertop space, we did the sink covers, and you have an undermount, nice, deep stainless steel sink bowl here. The other thing I ensured is that you could fit a 10-inch dinner plate in this bowl. So a lot of the times the sinks are too small to fit dinnerware in, and so I tried to make sure that everything was as ergonomic as possible.